important point. Now, in the previous lecture, what we talked, the questions asked for the topic are, firstly, you should be knowing, explain the structure, define nephron, and describe the structure and the function of nephron. That can be one of the question. So you should be able to draw the diagram of a nephron. Okay, that's the first question. Then the question can be this function specifically when it is related to the Malpighian corpuscle. Okay, so these are the two components right now what comes up to my mind, which is being asked as a question. Okay, so now we will be talking about the ultra structure of the renal corpuscles. We talked about this part. We initiated components. One is the renal corpuscles, or what is also termed as the Malpighian corpuscle, and then the renal tubules. We talked briefly about the different parts of the renal tubules. Okay, now we'll be explaining in detail about the renal corpuscle. Now, why we need to talk in detail about the renal corpuscle? Because this is the first site where the process of filtration occurs in the nephron. Okay, now it is present in the cortex. As I already mentioned in the previous presentation, and these capillaries, they start up with an arteriole and they end up in an arteriole. So the blood from the renal artery enters and then gets further branched. Okay, finally reaches to the Malpighian corpuscle as afferent arteriole, and these afferent arterioles further get bifurcated and divided into glomerular capillary tuft. Okay, now this glomerular capillary tuft finally re-enters the vascular system by going into efferent arteriole before and after the glomerular tuft. Now, as I said that these two arteriolar system are there, this is the only place where you can find an capillary tuft between two arterioles. The reason being because in this area we need to have a high hydrostatic pressure. There are two basic types of the pressure in my general physiology topic. I explained. One pressure is the pressure which the heart exerts by pumping mechanism. Okay, the flow of the blood. जैसे अगर आप होज पाइप लेते हैं, जितना नल का आप ज्यादा खोलते हैं उतना प्रेशर उस पानी का ज्यादा निकलता है. अगर आप नलके का टैप जो टैप है अगर उसको आप कम कर देंगे, so less water will enter into the hose pipe for the gardening purpose, so less will be the pressure of the water, right? Same happens in the blood also. So the two major type of the pressures what we can see in the capillary or in any is the pumping pressure, the pressure exerted by the heart when it contracts so that it can push the blood into the arteriolar system. So that is a hydrostatic pressure. Hydro means water. Okay, flow, the flow of the water, the pressure created by the flow of the water. That's the first pressure. The second pressure which is present in the capillary, that is colloidal osmotic pressure, which is also termed as oncotic pressure. Can anyone tell me what is an oncotic pressure? I think this part has already been taught to you. Write on the chat box. Hydrostatic pressure I explained to you. Now, what is an osmotic pressure or an oncotic pressure in the capillaries when we talk about? Anyone? Blood colloidal osmotic pressure. Yeah, exerted by the protein, exerted by albumin. Why albumin? Pressure exerted by colloidal particles. Now, what are colloidal particles? Okay, good. But mainly, why albumin? Maintained by plasma albumin and globulin. Pressure required to prevent outflow of the fluid. Pressure exerted by plasma protein. That's fine. No, my question still remains the same. Why mainly albumin? Largest amount. Okay. It has, yeah. Okay, good. Histidine residues present. No, we don't say histidine residues present. No. See, its size is small. The number of the molecules of albumin in the blood are large. It's around 4 grams. It's a huge. The size doesn't matter. It's basically Size does matter, but mainly the number. How much is the osmolar concentration of that particular solute? You remember? The osmolarity, it depends on what? The number of the osmolar concentration that maintains the osmotic pressure. You remember the osmotic pressure Von Hoff equation, how to calculate the osmotic pressure? Do recall, because these things are linked. I'm not going to repeat it every time, right? So basically the number of the molecules of the solute and the number of the molecules of the solute, specifically when we talk about the plasma protein, the albumin is the highest. So that is why it exerts the osmotic pressure. Surface area covered is large. No, Ashish, we won't take this as a reason. Surface area covered is large. I don't think. No, we won't take it as a reason to have albumin being creating the maximum. Is basically the number. The molar concentration of albumin in the blood is higher compared to any other plasma protein. It's around 3.5 to 4 grams. It's not less. Okay. Fine. Good, good. So now you understood there are two types of the pressure. One is the hydrostatic pressure, one is the osmotic pressure. Okay. Here, when we talk about high hydrostatic pressure exerted, that means we need a huge amount of the pressure. What exactly the hydrostatic pressure does? It will allow the fluid to move away from it. वो पानी को अपने से दूर भेजेगा. So it will allow the water to move from the capillaries into the Bowman's capsule. Fluid, only fluid, no solute, right? Because it is a process of filtration. अगर हाइड्रोस्टैटिक प्रेशर ज्यादा नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? प्रेशर अगर कम होता है, what will happen? What will happen to the filtration process? C into R into T is the Von Hoff. Less filtration, exactly. Yeah, Von Hoff equation was correct, but it has to be, when we effective osmotic pressure, it has to be with a refractive coefficient. Do remember that. Yes, low filtration or less amount of the filtration will be there, right? If the filtration is less, urine output also will be less automatically. And the filtrate, the excreta will not be excreted to that extent. There will be a concentrated type of the urine, fine? So we need to have a high hydrostatic pressure to be maintained in the glomerular capillary tuft. That is why it has been created by God specifically that there has to be an arteriolar end at the beginning and at the end. The first step of the urine formation, the first step for any for the urine to form is to have an ultrafiltration. Filtration to सीधा filtration होता है छन्नी से filter paper से. When we talk about the ultrafiltration, that means it has an in-depth filtrate, specific filtration has to occur, and which occurs in the renal plasma. तो कहाँ से filter हो रहा है? What is getting filtered? The plasma is getting filtered, and where it is going? It is going into the renal tubular system, right? So this renal corpuscle is actually acting like a sieve. छन्नी, sieve मतलब छन्नी. So that an ultrafiltration will occur. Now again, I'm showing the same. This is the Bowen capsule. The green tinge attached on the Bowen's capsule, the glomerular tuft is the visceral part of the Bowen's capsule, while the part here, it is the parietal part. Again, this is a better outlook. Sir William Brown, Bowman was the first who proposed the theory that kidney secretes and glomerular filtration occurs at the level of the kidney nephron. He was the first person. So the name of this capsule is being assigned for Sir William Bowman, and he was given Nobel Prize for that year. Okay, let's come out to the ultrastructure. This is the structure. I have taken a piece here and enlarged it. This is the enlarged part. Let's see how it works. This is the glomerular capillary. Now, glomerular capillary is having gap or pores. Specific part. There is one capillary which is non-fenestrated. That means it does not have much of good oxygen and carbon dioxide. Now there is a fenestrated capillary which will allow the passage of specific molecules, specific size, like in the what you see here in the glomerular capillary. It's a fenestrated capillary. Fenestrated means the capillary which is having 100. Look like the histology of liver, it doesn't look like a capillary, but actually it is a capillary with a huge gap. Okay, so they are open capillaries. So there is a